Hey guys, Mul-T-lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's doing okay. And today I got a lock here that I've been saving for a while. Been saving it for a rainy day. And well, it's been pretty rainy lately, figuratively, with all the crap that's going on in the world. Yeah, pretty crazy times. Um, can't wait until this one's in the rearview mirror. But yeah, I figure I might as well get this thing picked on camera and share it with you guys and see what's inside. Um, before I go any further, I got this from West Coast Picks. Harley, if you're watching, I can't thank you enough, man. This is a dream lock for me. Something I never thought I'd be able to hold, let alone have in my collection. So, really means a lot to me, man. But yeah, this is interactive, and I'm pretty damn sure that this is service keyed, I believe is what Mul-T-lock calls it. It's kind of like their version of zero-bitted. Some manufacturers will, when you buy locks from them, they'll send them out to where a blank key basically opens them. And this is kind of Mul-T-lock's version of that. Gives you a stair-step pattern, so it gives you a variety of different pins that the locksmith can replenish his pinning kit with. I believe that was the reason that they did this pattern. I'm not quite sure. I heard that somewhere though. But it works great. Awesome lock. Sorry about that. Actually, I find it, I only have two Mul-T-locks, and I believe this one to be kind of easy to pick compared to the Junior that I have. But we'll see what we can do. We'll check the pins out. I think this has serrateds because I only drop into a false set after picking all the outers. I will say too, picking dimple locks really cramps up my hands. Oh, there we go. I think we picked all the outers. I'm going to switch sides here to this pick I used to pick inners. I haven't picked this thing forever, so okay, I picked something on 4, and yeah, this likes to get stuck in here sometimes too, so oh, there we go. Gotta loosen up tension a bit too. Oh, I think we might have just dropped something. Oh, there we go, we got a deep false set. I could continue picking with this, but I find it easier to switch sides again. Get the outer key pins that pick basically the inner drivers again. It's kind of hard to explain how these bind. Or how these, yeah, how these are picked. Usually it's not this hard to do. Maybe I'll loosen up a bit. Oh, there we go. I was picked. So yeah, where do we go from here? This is kind of a cool lock to disassemble. I love locks that have a unique disassembly method for some weird reason, like some of the S&Gs and stuff like that. So I basically bridged this gap here, so there's a pin in here that prevents this shackle just from popping out. It's not the locking pin, but it's just, like I said, to prevent the shackle from coming out. We'll get this tray down here, and that's your pin that, like I said, just keeps that shackle from popping out. The pin, or the screw that retains the core, is under this bumper, let's call it. And I believe we'll get some metric bits out here. Now I'm going to guess at this one. I don't know what size it, don't know what size it is. But it's the right one. I don't think we need to take it out all the way, but the lighting's kind of crap today. Let's try to shed some light on this subject here. Yep, that was enough. So a screw just comes in here and kind of, I guess, pushes these ball bearings aside to retain this plate. Seems to work pretty good. I wish we could get a shot of that. Wow. Yeah, I can see there. And just pull this out. Now, what do we got here for a clip? I'm not going to bother locking it back up, I don't think. See if we can use this. And we can. Follower. Oh crap, where's my followers? Oh, there's one. I think we're okay. I really should shim it, but there we go. Let's dump these out. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Nothing special about the core. We do have these holes here, so really should be shimming this because oh, we have a top. I seen someone on Facebook the other day brick a Mul-T-lock because of that. Got inner pin stuck in one of these got an inner pin stuck in one of those construction, or sorry, passive holes or whatever you want to call it. No. That's pretty good. I'd really like to get some of those reverse action tweezers one of these days. These tweezers aren't that great for bigger pins. You gotta manually take them out sometimes. Yeah. Wow. There we go. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys have seen Mul-T-lock before, but they're all pinned different. And so the drivers, the inner pins on the drivers are captive. They don't come out of there. At least not non-destructively. But the inners on the key pins do come out. Oh, actually, it looks like we have a little... Hang on. Oh, wow, we do have a little... It's really hard to see. A little, what do you want to call that? Not undercut? Well, yeah, like an undercut. Yeah, cool. I never realized that. I don't think they all have that, though. Some of them do, and some of them have little spooling on the inner drivers too. There's quite a few different styles of pins for these actually. But yeah, that's basically what was in this what I believe to be service keyed multi-lock. Maybe one of these days I'll get it rekeyed. But yeah, as always, guys, appreciate your support. I hope everyone's doing their part to sort of slow down the curve here. Talk about crazy times, man. Something I've never seen before, and my parents have never even seen before, so pretty crazy. Hopefully shit gets back to normal. But yeah, try to do your part, guys, and we'll see you on the other end of this, hopefully. But yeah, I'll be back shortly with another video, hopefully, and we'll all get through this together. Again, thanks for your support, guys. Take care, and stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next one.